I've seen fleets lose hundreds of thousands of dollars and not even know it. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 key drivers of ROI in field service fleets. This isn't a theory. These are results we've seen firsthand, all backed by data, real examples, and no-nonsense takeaways. Number 1, fuel and idling. Fuel makes up 60% of most fleet operating costs. That's not a guess, it's the first thing we look at. Here's what happens when a fleet starts tracking it. One company saved $50,000 in fuel in just 3 months by cutting unnecessary idling time. Most fleets see a 10% reduction in fuel use. How? Idle alerts, real-time coaching, smarter driver behavior. No new tech, no added manpower, just visibility in action. Number 2, productivity and optimized routing. More jobs, less overtime, fewer delays, and a better customer experience. With route optimization and schedule tracking, one fleet saved 155,000 miles per month, reduced 3,800 labor hours, and generated over $700,000 in additional revenue. When your dispatchers see where every tech is and how to schedule smarter, you win back time and profit. Number 3, safety and insurance claims. An average fleet collision costs over $26,000. Multiply that by 5 or 10 incidents in a year and you're losing out on profit. We've seen fleets reduce collisions by up to 80%, reduction on harsh driving events by 47%, and lower insurance claims by 50%. And decrease risk exposure by coaching drivers based on behavior data. In one case, a fleet cut collisions by 80% with focused coaching. Number 4, maintenance and downtime. Unplanned breakdowns crush productivity. Preventative maintenance keeps vehicles on the road. With predictive engine alerts and asset utilization tracking, fleets report 10 to 20% reductions in maintenance spend. One company identified 50 underused vehicles and saved $50,000 by right-sizing their fleet. Downtime is expensive. Visibility into performance helps avoid it. Number 5, sustainability and EV transition. Less idling means less waste. And for fleets exploring electrification, data helps drive the transition. One plumbing company cut 23 pounds of CO2 in a single quarter. GPS tracking also supports route matching, charge planning, and operational confidence for EVs. This isn't just good for the planet, it's good for margins. Here's what most fleets report after the first year. $33,000 to $285,000 in fuel savings, up to 80% fewer collisions, 10 to 20% reduction in maintenance costs. And most fleets see a payback in under 12 months, often in less than 6. Data by itself doesn't change your numbers. Acting on the data does. Fleets that get ROI from GPS aren't just collecting insights, they apply them. They coach, they adjust, they improve. Every week, every vehicle, every driver. If you want to see what this looks like for your operation, use our free ROI calculator or talk with a fleet expert. We'll break down your numbers, show you the biggest opportunity, and help you take action.